This device comes from 1byone, and it is humidifier, aroma diffuser, and also an LED night light. As you can see, so the box is quite big, the device is big as well, and it comes with an instruction manual, which is important to read, since this aroma diffuser humidifier is different from other types of aroma diffusers. It is a big size, however it is really compact and lightweight, so it can be carried from room to room wherever you need it. It comes also with a plug, a power adapter, and it has 3 parts. So this cone is actually the mist cone. Now we have this middle part, and we have this bottom part here with all the electrical sides, with all the buttons, which is this button controls the humidifier, so it's turned on, and it has a variety of levels to diffuse the mist. And this is a button for the LED light, which will change through a variety of colors in a cycle. And here at the back we have this sponge to which the oil for the aroma diffuser is added. So it is important to understand that no water, no detergent, no aroma oil are supposed to be in here in this container or in this one. So if we turn it around, you can see that this is actually the actual container for the water. This is a filter water for the to filter the water, and in order to fill the container with the water, so we have to turn this filter anti-clockwise. We unscrew it, take it out, and then we add the water inside. We put the filter back on. So this container is actually only for water, room temperature water, not warm, not heated, no aroma diffusers, no detergents, just water. So now we turn it around, down, and we put it back. We put also the cone on top, and we turn on the button. First I need to plug in. I forgot to plug it in. So now we can turn on. You can see the LED light turns green, and we rotate this button in order to get the mist. You can see the mist is coming on top here, and we can adjust we can get more humidification level the more we go to the right with this button. As you can notice, it's a lot of mist now coming on. So when there is no water in the tank, this green light will turn red, so you know that we need to fill the tank with water. Now if you want to combine this humidifier with and use it as an ultrasonic aroma diffuser, as I mentioned, at the back it has this sponge on which one drops adds a few drops of aromatic oil, then places it back here and turning it on again from this button, we can have a mix of mist, nicely fragrance with the aromatic oil. Now to use this device as a night light, obviously you can also leave the humidifier on, or we can switch it off. But to use it as a night light, we press this button, LED on off button, and you can see it turns on, and it will go cyclic through few colors. So it will change from purple to indigo, red, orange, yellow, green and blue. So it's really nice, calm, relaxing. Can be left overnight as well for a relaxing sleep. It is, even if the humidifier is on, it is really quiet. And if you add the aromatic oil, you will have also nice fragranced atmosphere, more relaxing. It's really a nice device. It's very complex and versatile. You have actually three devices in one. It has a really good size, and it's also very useful for those who need some relaxation, tranquility, and a nice fragranced atmosphere. Now, in order to turn this light off, you have to press the same LED on off button. Keep it pressed for like 2 seconds.